In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace a taillight on a Jeep Cherokee, which is located on the tailgate. Once you raise your tailgate, you're going to have two 10mm nuts. You can take those off first. Then you have an access panel here, which you can take your interior trim tool, pry down, pop and put it off to the side. Once that cover's off, you have your white insulation. Just want to push that off to the side. Take your connector off, just push that button down, slide it straight back, and you have two 10mm nuts inside. One nut, and then your last nut. To unplug it, just push that little tab over, pull straight down. Before you remove your tail lamp, there's a little tab you want to push over to your left and push up. Once you press that tab, you can pull straight up. This is the tab that I was telling you about to push in and pull out. There is actually another one on the other side that you need to push in and pull out. Your new tail lamp does not come with this plastic piece. You're going to have to remove it from your old piece, put it on your new tail light. You have two pieces of plastic that you're going to have to push on here and there. It's very brittle and small, but if you get a pick tool, go inside, back it off with a screwdriver, pull this back. Once you get your tabs moved, just want to pry up and slide it out. Take your piece, slide it down, wait for that to click. You're good to go, ready to install it back on the vehicle. Your new taillight has LEDs and an old school bulb. The LEDs, you don't replace bulbs, but for the reverse bulb, there is one. So make sure you check that bulb before you install it on your vehicle. To install your tail lamp, line up your studs with the holes, drop it down, wait for that click, take your nuts, install them back onto the studs. Take your plug, plug it back into your taillight, wait for the click. Take your white insulator, peel it back, put your Yankee cover, snap it back in, and close your tailgate. Make sure everything's properly aligned. Check your gap. This looks good, and there you have it.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.